3 o'clock in the morning. Everybody is asleep. Well, not everybody. Junho is awake, and some people are working. It is quiet and dark. Junho listens carefully. He hears a car. Perhaps it's a police car. Police officers work at night. Firefighters and ambulance drivers work at night too. Junho looks out the window. It's a taxi. There are no buses or subway train at night. Taxi drivers, however, contain moving people. Junho can see some light. The big supermarket is closed. Inside, people are busy working. They are cleaning and putting on the shelves. People are busy working in the subway too. They are fixing the trains and the tracks. In the morning, Junho's mom will shop at the supermarket. His dad will take the subway. They may not think about the important people working at night. Junho turns on the light. He goes to the kitchen for some juice. He doesn't look at some number on the border. They say 3 a.m. Someone was working at 3 a.m. in the factory a few days ago. Junho Yan and get into bed. Not everybody is asleep, but Junho is.